Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your Hubspot account. This is one of those things that sounds simple, but HubSpot hides it a little bit. So I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. All right, first things first, sign into your HubSpot account using your email and your password. If you use Google Sign In, yeah, that works too. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Then choose Profile and Preferences. It's usually the second option in the list. Now you'll see a sidebar on the left. Scroll until you find Security or sometimes General Info, depending on your version of HubSpot. Either one is fine because they both lead to your contact details. Under the Contact section, look for the phone number field. Click into it, type your phone number, and make sure the country code is correct. HubSpot usually autofills it, but double check just in case. After that, scroll down and hit Save. If you miss this part, HubSpot won't update anything, so yeah, don't forget to click it. Sometimes HubSpot sends a quick verification code. If you see it, just enter the code they text you. It takes maybe 10 seconds, and that's it. Your phone number is now added to your HubSpot account. Super quick, super easy. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more short guides like this. Thanks for watching.